The name Patterson finds its roots in the Gaelic MacPhadraig, which translates to son of the devotee of St. Patrick. This etymology suggests a strong connection to the Celtic Church, where some Patterson ancestors may have held ecclesiastical roles. Remarkably, even though the Celtic Church permitted priests to marry, these early Patersons might have chosen a path of devotion to St. Patrick. Around the close of the 13th century, the Patterson clan settled along the picturesque shores of Loch Fyne in the Lowlands of Scotland. This move marked the beginning of their presence in the region and set the stage for the name Patterson to become one of the 20 most common surnames in Lowland Scotland. The Darien scheme remains a significant chapter in Patterson history. Scots, including many Patersons, invested heavily in this ambitious project, envisioning a prosperous Scottish colony in Central America. However, powerful merchant interests in England opposed the scheme, leading to its ultimate collapse in 1699. The settlers endured harsh conditions, and many investors faced financial ruin. One of the most celebrated episodes involving the Patterson clan unfolded during the Jacobite Rising of 1745. Sir Hugh Paterson of Bannockburn, a baronet since 1686, hosted Prince Charles Edward Stuart, the Bonnie Prince, at his grand mansion near the famous battle site. It was during this visit that the prince met Sir Hugh's niece, Clementina Walkinshaw, who would become his mistress and bear him a daughter, Charlotte, Duchess of Albany. Bannockburn House still stands today, a tangible connection to this historic encounter.